Hello, my name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing beef shank, Osso Buco, the shin hammer sliced. Let's begin. Cut onions into chunks like quarters so that they do not burn easily. Peel a carrot or carrots depending on the size, then chop them into smaller pieces and set them aside, just like your onions. A list of ingredients and more information will be in the description box below. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Chop garlic cloves and set them aside for later. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Subscribe. Pat dry your meat on both sides. I'm using a clean kitchen towel. Cut slits from the side membrane so that the flavoring can get through. Season with salt and pepper. Massage the flavoring in, then turn them over and repeat the seasoning process. Thank you to my returning subscribers, friends and family for your continuous support. Place flour on a plate and coat the meat. Shake off excess flour and repeat the process until all pieces are done. Heat the pan to a smoking point on medium heat. Add oil, melt butter, then seal the meat, meaning brown it. Once each side is brown, turn it over. This will take about 5 minutes each side. Change the position of the pan to expose the meat to constant heat. Take the meat off the pan and cover it with foil while you're preparing the sauce. In the same pan, fry the onions until translucent. That will be about 3 minutes. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once they are done, take them out of the pan and do not clean the pan. Fry the carrots until they are soft. As you fry the carrots, add fresh thyme and rosemary and stir. Add chopped tomatoes, whether from a can or you chop the tomatoes yourself. Stir. Season with salt and pepper. Optionally, sprinkle chili flakes, then smoked paprika and stir. Sprinkle sugar to offset the tomatoes. That's optional. Add apple cider vinegar and stir. Add garlic, stir, and simmer for 3 minutes on low heat. Then take the pan off the stove. Let's assemble everything. Place the onions at the base of the casserole dish. You may use the same pan without oil, the one you were using to seal the meat. Then follow by putting the meat on top of the onions. Cover the meat with the sauce prepared. Please press the like button as a gesture of support and leave a comment below regarding this recipe. Cover the dish with foil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 150 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Haha, here I was burning, the foil was hot. The meat was falling off the bone and the room was smelling amazing. As a bonus, please try this toasted sandwich and tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Now we're toasting the bread. Please press the like button and leave that comment below. Let's assemble the sandwich. Spread mustard sauce. That was Dijon mustard. Add lettuce cucumber slices. Then pull the meat from the bone and place it on top of the cucumber. Put as much as you can. Follow by fresh tomatoes, that's optional, and season them with salt and pepper. Then I spread cream cheese on the other slice. I hope you will try this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.